As a professional focused on operational efficiencies, we both know that time is money. The sooner that you can get a line started and the longer that you can keep it running means more production value to the business. It's no secret that positives and failures can have a huge impact on our runtimes. And I think we all know that by the time those positives and failures present themselves, it's already too late. So why don't we use our knowledge and experience when reviewing data and analytics to identify areas that need attention, so that we can get in front of problems before they have the chance to impact our bottom line? How do we do that? Well, let's take a look. I'm going to launch Insights, our dashboard-driven analytics module, and I'm going to spend some time on our FSQA dashboard to see if I can find anything that sticks out. But I want a larger time frame to look through, so I'm going to adjust my date range and apply that, which will update all reports on this dashboard. Now, as I scroll down, I can see that I've had 372 positives across 3 facilities within the last 12 months. Well, that's a bit curious, don't you think? Why don't we take a deeper look at our pathogens then? Well, I'm not going to lie, I see a lot of things here that catch my eye, but specifically, I see that for Listeria, I have the highest percentage of positives at my dairy plant, while simultaneously showcasing the fewest swabs. Ding, ding, ding! Let's dig in. To do this, I can actually click on my dairy plant to drill down and take a closer look. From there, I can see that all of these are on my Dairy North floor plan. And when I take it a step further, I see that I have some real issues in the majority of my locations. So now I need to take action on this immediately. First thing I'm going to do is share this report with some key individuals, let them know that we need to meet immediately and schedule a meeting to discuss action ASAP. So you can see there's no discussion, no combing through endless stacks of paper and binders with results. I'm letting the application guide me by leveraging data and analytics to find shortcomings within my organization and aid me in taking action.